Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to the benchmark test in the Realme GT 2 device after initial unboxing on the day 1 of usage. Yes friends, this is my day 1 of using the Realme GT 2 device right now, and this is a 8GB and 128GB model which I'm trying to demonstrate. And during this process of benchmark test, I did not enable any kind of extended rank capabilities, and there is no GT mode. I'm not using any kind of GT mode. So without using any kind of GT mode, let's find out what is the actual score we can expect in the Realme GT 2 device, and later on I'll definitely do the another benchmark test by using the GT mode. And right now, as you can see friends, I did not install any applications. All these applications are completely bloatware applications only. Close to, I think so many applications are there, close to 10 to 15 applications are installed completely pre-installed only. And this is my first time doing the benchmark test on the day 1 of usage, and my room temperature and the phone temperature exactly same. You can see this is a summertime, so during the summertime the temperatures will be very high friends. That's something you should definitely understand about. And the phone has got the Snapdragon 888 processor, and let's start the test right now. And right now the battery percentage is about 55%. So out of the box 55%, I think it got 60% out of the box, but right now it became 55%. Anyway, let's see friends how much benchmarks we can expect in this Realme GT 2 device regarding the benchmark test. And Snapdragon 888 processor, and definitely I'll try to concentrate regarding the temperatures as well, how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase. Meanwhile, in case if you want to know more details about this Realme GT 2 device, so make sure to follow the playlist which I have created for the Realme GT 2 smartphone. This playlist will give the clear idea friends, comparison videos as well, lot of videos. I can be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, after 46% of the benchmark test, let's check the temperatures. 45 degrees Celsius. Definitely the Snapdragon 888 processor will get high temperatures. Not only this phone, even the iQOO and SE also did reach high temperatures. But don't worry, I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison, then we'll be able to understand regarding the heating thing. 45 degrees is the highest temperatures the phone did reach during this process of demonstration, exactly 45.2 degrees Celsius while doing the benchmark test. As you can see, 45.6 as well. I can be back after some time. So here's a quick look at the temperatures of the Realme GT 2 device while doing the benchmark test. The temperatures did increase up to 44 degrees Celsius, and 45.2 is a high temperatures the phone did increase while doing the benchmark test in the Snapdragon 888 processor, so which you can clearly see here right now. Right now, let's check the temperatures of the phone, what's going on. So 44.2 degrees Celsius is the highest right now, but the phone did reach up to 45 degrees Celsius before while doing benchmarks. On the top back side is about 43.8, and my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see friends while doing benchmark without using any kind of GT mode. So this is the actual score which I'm going to show you without any GT mode. Let's find out. So finally friends, we are getting close to the end of the benchmark test results, and let's find out the temperatures. 44, still maintaining pretty stable temperature, 44 degrees Celsius even at the end of the test results, and maroon temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. So overall there's a 10 degrees Celsius difference is there, my room temperature and the phone temperature. And under this extreme condition, let's find out what will be the overall benchmark score. And there is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing at all installed in my room. That's the reason I do always maintain same room temperature every time, 34 degrees Celsius. I can be back after some time. So I think this might be the final test. Let's find out friends. I'm really interested to see how much this phone going to perform regarding the benchmark wise. So even the build quality, it seems to be kind of pretty good. And the final benchmark scores we can expect in this Realme GT 2 device. Final score, the phone did reach about 7,40,000, as you can see friends, without any GT mode, exactly right now. Right now, as you can see friends, this is a Realme GT 2 device, and without any GT mode, this is a benchmark score which I got on the day 1 of using the Snapdragon 888 processor. So definitely the Snapdragon 888 processor will get high scores. For example, above 8 lakhs, always it used to maintain. So maybe I think the performance might be slightly kind of restricted with GT mode and without GT mode. So something I need to figure out exactly, because this GT mode may be slightly utilizing more CPU and the more GPU. That might be another thing why it did not utilize. But anyway, next time I'll try to do that kind of testing as well friends with GT mode. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And temperature, final temperatures of 45.8 degrees Celsius, the final temperatures. That's it friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, signing off, until then, bye.